Hey, what's up YouTube? This is FJ. Got another case for you for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And this case is made by MATEPROX. Haven't used them before, but it looks pretty good. Nice and slim, crystal transparent back. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at this. Okay, you can get this from Amazon. It's the MATEPROX, compatible with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case. Thin, slim, transparent, shockproof bumper cover for the S22 Ultra. And this is a black version. You have a clear black. I think it's translucent, but we'll take a look at that. You can see some pictures right there. Screen protection, front lip protection, all that stuff. So we'll check all that out when we look at it. Okay. Say it's going to resist fingerprints. $50.99 on Prime. You got different colors. You got a black one, you got blue, you got green, and you got a clear. All right, pine green and clear. $50.99. I put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, here's the box right here. Protective case, high quality, MATEPROX. A little bit more information on the back. Talks about the case a little bit. Usage and installation. How you got to put it on. We don't need to know that. You got a little QR code in the back to scan it, register the case if you want to do that. All right, let's pull this out. All right, so here we go. Now, I thought this was translucent, but it's not. So it's a pretty clear back, and you got matte sides. All right, so the sides are not shiny; it's matte, and you got a clear back. We got a little plastic. I'll get that off, but you got a raised area for the camera right there. It's finished, so that's going to be protected, and no feet on the back, so it's pretty smooth around the back. And you got your opening for your charging port and your mic, speaker, and your S Pen. It's pretty big right there, so no problem. Got a lanyard right there, lanyard opening. No branding on this side, and you got your speaker, your mic hole up top. You got your volume down rocker. That's right here. They're pretty slim. We saw that work when we put them on, and no branding, but did I see anywhere on this device? Okay, so let's peel this plastic off and put this device in it and see how it looks. Okay, we got the plastic off. Let's put the S22 Ultra inside and see how it looks. And this is a pretty thin case, and it fits pretty good, and it's got decent grip, so it's nice and thin. You got grip on the back, so you put this on your fingers, not going to slide off. You see, I'm pretty much almost flat-handed right now, and this is not sliding. Okay, so that's pretty good. The back is nice and sticky. You can see the camera is protected, not going to be touching anything right there. Your power button works well, no problem. And you got your opening for your charging port and your mic, speaker, and your S Pen. You get to that, no problem. You got a lip on the front. Not a whole lot, but you got some lip on the front. So you might, it's right there, barely. It's a minimum, but you got some there. The sides don't come up too high, but you do have some sides, so you don't have accidental touches and stuff. But this is nice and slim. I think this is going to work really well. All right, nice slim case, good grip. Okay, so I like this. I like these nice slim cases, and this looks pretty good as well. Nice grip. All right, let's go ahead and get the wireless charger, put it inside, and see how it works. Okay, so here's the wireless charger. Let's put it on. So pick that wireless charge right there. Let's stand it up, see what happens. So pick that wireless charge there as well. We're going to lay it down on the side and see what happens there. So wireless charge works in all positions, no problem. Nice thin case. I didn't think it would have any problems. Okay, so that was a quick look at the MATEPROX slim, clear, protective case. All right, nice and slim, but you got some decent protection. I wouldn't, minor drops, you're going to be able to survive the minor drop, but not anything more than that. Now, if you have any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is FJ, out.